Welcome to Department of Electrical Engineering, RGVKT Basar. Electrical Circuit Analysis Lab, WE1801. Let us do an experiment number 10, that is nodal analysis using digital simulation. Hello students, let us do the experiment number 10, that is nodal analysis using digital simulation. The aim of the experiment is to verify nodal analysis using digital simulation. To do this experiment, we need some apparatus like a MATLAB software and a computer system. And the below diagram shows your simulation diagram, which includes resistors, voltmeters, displays and one voltage source. In the simulation diagram, we have used 6 resistors whose values are ranging from 1000 ohms, 47 ohms, 220 ohms, 150 ohms, 470 ohms and 100 ohms. And here we have connected 3 voltmeters which are used to measure voltage across 47 ohms, 150 ohms and 100 ohms, which are nothing but nodal voltages. This is a node 1, node 2 and node 3. Here we have 3 displays which are used to display the value recorded by voltmeters. This first display displays the voltage across 47 ohms. The second display is for voltage measured by 150 ohms and this third display displays the voltage measured by 100 ohms. So to do this experiment, we need to follow some procedure. The procedure includes 3 steps, like make the connections as shown in the circuit diagram by using MATLAB Simulink. Measure the voltage across each node using voltage measurement, that is your voltmeter. Verify with theoretical results and with obtained practical results. So after doing the experiment, we need to fill the values of your practical values and theoretical values in tabular column. Here we have an observation table. The observation table includes your applied voltage and node voltage V1, node voltage V2, node voltage V3 with respect to theoretical and practical values. So let us continue the experiment with MATLAB software, and after doing the experiment, let us fill this all observation table. Thank you. Students, just open the MATLAB software. After opening MATLAB software, it looks like this. It contains a current folder, command window and workspace. So if you want to do any experiment, we need to just click on this Simulink library. This is Simulink library. When you click on this Simulink library, a new box will be opened. It contains all the resources which are required to do your experiment, like voltage sources and displays, measurements like your voltmeter, ammeter. So to continue with your experiment, just click on this symbol. So a blank page will be opened. This is a space. Here you will draw our simulation diagram. So before drawing a simulation diagram, just save this page with your experiment name. Like this experiment is nodal analysis. So save with nodal. Here I have saved my page with nodal analysis. So after saving the nodal with the nodal analysis, we have to take required resources from the library. Here I need DC voltage source. Just type here DC voltage source. Here you will get your DC voltage source. Just click on that DC voltage source and paste. Just right click on it and add to nodal. Automatically that will be added to your workspace. Similarly, you need to acquire that resistors and your displays voltmeters. Here I got one resistor. So in my simulation diagram I need 6 resistors. So just copy it and paste it on the workspace. and I need measurements like voltmeter. So these measurements are available in sim power system. Just go to sim power system. Here this is your sim power system. In the sim power system we are having measurements. So we need voltmeter. Just right click on it and add to nodal. Automatically a voltage measurement will be added. Just copy it. We need 3. So copy it and paste here. And at last we need display. Just type here display. Type here display. You will get your display into your workspace. Here you got display. Just right click on it. Add to nodal. A display is added. Just copy it and paste. Paste. So till now we got all the resources into our workspace. Now we need to make the connections. So before making the connections, arrange them in proper manner. Here we have arranged all the elements in a proper manner to make the connections. So before making the connection, just set the value for each resistor. Just click on it, set the value. This is 1000 ohms. Apply. OK. Similarly, this is 47 ohms. 47 ohms. Apply. OK. Similarly, do for all the resistors. Till now we have set the values for resistors. Now set the value for voltage source. Just set it with 20. So you can set any value. Here I have applied 20 volts. Now make the connections. As per the simulation diagram, just make the connections. Here we are making the connections as per the simulation diagram. Just connect here. When they are connected together, here you will get one dot. This dot indicates that the branches are connected. Now here connect it. Here we are making the connections. Now connect voltmeters. Negative to this branch. And a positive is connected to this branch and negative is connected to this branch. Positive is connected here and negative is connected here. Always connect voltmeter across the element. Ammeter, that is voltmeter should be connected in parallel, ammeter should be connected in series. Now voltmeter should be connected to display the value which is recorded by the measurement unit. Here our measurement unit is voltmeter. So now we have connected, just we are ready with the all connections. Now we need to simulate it. Before simulating, just bring your power grid, power GUI into your workspace. Just type here power GUI. Here you have a power GUI. Just bring this power GUI into your workspace. Here I got power GUI into my workspace. Now simulate your diagram. For simulating the diagram, just go to simulation and click on run. It is compiling. It is showing that compiling. Now here you got 0.7929, 0.7928 is measured by voltmeter V1, 0.2779 measured by voltmeter V2, 0.04875 measured by voltmeter V3. It is nothing but this is node voltage V1, node voltage V2, node voltage V3. So you can verify with other voltage also. You can repeat with other voltages. Here you have applied 30 volts. Now go to simulation and just run it. So here you got different values. Just record these different nodal voltages at different voltage. By applying different voltages, just measure different nodal voltages and tabulate that values into your observation table. So here if you want to apply 40 volts, just click here and apply, type here 40 volts. Apply 40. apply, okay. Now simulate it, just run. Here you got the values with respect to your 40 volts. Like this you need to repeat for different values. Thank you. This is observation table of nodal analysis by using the digital simulation. Here we have used a MATLAB software for digital simulation. Here we got three node voltages V1, V2 and V3 at various applied voltages like 20 volts, 30 volts and 40 volts. At 20 volts we got, this is your node voltage V1 0.7928, this is 0.2779, node voltage V2 and node voltage V3 is 0.4875. Similarly at 30 volts we got V1, V2, V3 and at 40 volts we have V1 and V2 and V3. Just fill this table with all theoretical values, then the result becomes nodal analysis using digital simulation is verified.